Will's back, he doesn't sit like a man here to eat. He sits like a man weighing the whole. Checking for cracks in the air. I heard the rumors. Forks swapping places in the night. Salt shakers humming in unison. Something missing, not money, not life. Something in between. It's the kind of theft you only notice when the way you remember the day feels wrong.
I told Will what I knew. The hush puppies stopped telling jokes. The tea's gone serious. The biscuits flat as bad news. Somebody took the laughter out of Tuesday, and that's the kind of crime where I'm from.
Oh, Will, baby, you're looking for answers. I got pockets full here, a riddle wrapped in tinfoil, a map drawn in gravy, a kiss from a ghost I dated in '98, but no, I didn't take it. Not the laughter, not this time. Yeah, if it's gone, it's gone. You don't put sunshine back in a biscuit once the sky's moved on. But if you have to find it, look under booth 6. That's where things hide when they're tired of being found. Yeah. Found something, not the laughter, not exactly. More like the shadow of a laugh. Thin, folded, still warm, like someone just let go of it. Who'd steal that? Who'd even know you could? Looking, or found a tray, a missing moment, an empty place. Not blood, not gold, not lost domain, but something stolen just the same. Need first, we'll decide later. Tuesday's long, and it remembers everything.